Hi guys, so in today's video I wanted to do a video dedicated to getting designer or luxury items, especially handbags, at a fraction of the price. And you know, we're a baddie on a budget, so we like to shop smart and affordable. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to show you guys some bags and tell you what other bag they're similar to, especially these high-end luxury brand bags. I feel like you can have the same look at a fraction of the price with also the same quality. And I'm getting more into the accessories, whether that be handbags or jewelry, stuff like that. That's why I'm sharing. So let's get into it. So the first bag I'm going to show you guys is a Teddy Blake bag. And if you guys don't know, now you know. Your girl is a Teddy Blake girl, okay? This is my Palmetto Teddy Blake black in orange. I absolutely love this bag. It comes in gold hardware, very luxurious. And if you guys don't know anything about Teddy Blake is giving you luxury at a fraction of the cost, and it's just giving affordable luxury, okay? And they're having their semi-annual sale this month from the 10th to the 19th. So if you had your eye on a Teddy Blake bag, now is your time to cop it, because they're having a sale and get you an affordable luxury bag, because Teddy Blake bags are made with 100% Italian leather, and they're also manufactured at the same factories that all these high-end luxury bags are manufactured at. Take it from your girl. This is giving Birkin, okay? It's giving Birkin for a fraction of the cost. Let me grab my phone, because I did a little bit of research for you guys. You know, when I like to come correct with all the facts, and I'm always writing stuff down in my notes just because. The second bag is this one from Shein. It also has really nice gold hardware. Absolutely love this bag. I wore this bag in Miami. It was giving what it's supposed to give. It was giving luxury mommy, okay? Luxury girl. And this bag looks identical to the Fendi First medium brown leather bag, and the Fendi costs $3,590. And I'm gonna insert how much this Shein bag costs, because I'm not quite sure, but it's a fraction of the price, and it looks exactly the same. The leather on this is also super soft, but I feel like it's going to be durable. And I also love the gold hardware. There's this thing with me and leather and gold hardware with certain bags, it just makes it look high-end, okay? Look like you spend some coin for it. So I absolutely love this bag right here. Bag right here is a white bag, and it's also from Shein. This bag is a similar bag to Bottega Veneta shoulder pouch, and the Bottega one cost $3,000, and this cost a fraction of the price. I will say though that the leather is kind of thin, so you have to be super careful with this bag. I'm not quite sure it's going to be durable and last long, so, but it looks identical to the Bottega. It also has gold hardware as far as the clasps are concerned, so it's giving high-end luxury mommy, okay? And I just like the style. The style of it is amazing. So the next bag is this bag from Public Desire. This is similar to the Balenciaga. This is similar to the Balenciaga G-City handbag in white, and that bag goes anywhere from between $400 to $1,000. And I'll also link on the screen how much this costs from Public Desire. This is in the mini. They also have a bigger version if you wanted the bigger version. And this is also not a white. I know it's coming off white on the camera, but this is actually a ivory color with silver hardware. It's absolutely amazing. I'm gonna say it looks pretty dang close to the Balenciaga G-City bag. Like this is almost giving identical to the Balenciaga G-City bag. So I absolutely love it. I feel like you can hold a few stuff in it. I feel like my phone is gonna fit perfectly. I can put my sunglasses or my wallet or my camera in here and it fitted. So I like that. I like that it's small but a compact bag. And if you want the Balenciaga but you're not on a Balenciaga budget, this is gonna be your best friend. So the next bag is this bag, and this bag is also from Shein, and this bag is similar to the Fendi-inspired bag, and this is how it looks. The Fendi-inspired bag is $2,600 retail price. So darling, get her, okay? Get her, because it's giving Fendi but at a lower price. And I love that the size of this bag is actually adjustable. You can actually move it and increase the length of the straps, which is super amazing, super designed, aesthetically pleasing. Love it. Fraction of the cost versus the Fendi. So this bag is also from Public Desire. It is very similar to the Lalinghi. I'm sorry if I'm butchering this designer's name. I can't pronounce it. It's a weird name. Lalinghi crystal top handle bag, and the Lalinghi bag goes for $900 at Nordstrom, and this is far less cheaper. I love the print. The print is actually giving snake skin, and then the crystals are giving me Cinderella. So I absolutely love this, and I feel like this would go great with my black bandage dress from Fashion Nova. But amazing, love it, love the shape of it. So yeah, these are the bags that I'm going to recommend you look at purchasing to incorporate in your summer wardrobe. I feel like they're very on trend. So comment which bag is your favorite. Don't forget to actually go to Teddy Blake and pick up a affordable 100% leather bag from Teddy Blake. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.